Hi, want better looking photos with your Samsung phone? Enabling grid lines helps you frame shots accurately, keep horizons level, and improve composition in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the camera app on your Samsung Galaxy device. On the camera screen, tap the four dots to open the Quick Controls panel. From there, select the settings icon, the gear symbol, to access the camera settings menu. Scroll through the available options until you find Composition Guide. Tap it, then switch the feature on. After enabling it, you'll be given display options. Choose either grid lines and level if you want both the alignment grid and a leveling guide, or select grid lines only if you only want the standard grid overlay. Once you've made your selection, go back to the main camera screen. You'll immediately notice the grid lines appearing over the camera preview. These lines won't show up in your saved photos. They're only there to help you frame your shots while taking pictures. Using grid lines makes it easier to center your subject, keep buildings and horizons straight, and create more visually appealing compositions. It's especially useful when photographing nature, architecture, food, or social media content where proper framing matters. That's it. Your Samsung camera grid lines are now enabled, helping you capture straighter, better composed photos with every shot. Happy photographing.